Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can change the custom or C1 button on the Sony ZV E10 so you can assign it any other functionality like changing the ISO, aperture or any other thing like that, because the C1 is a custom button and you can actually configure it. So let's begin the video. First of all, click on the menu button. From here, we're going to go to the second or the movie one page, and from here, we're going to open the 8th page. Now, when you are in the 8th page, you will see custom key for photo mode and custom key for video mode. So basically, you can map to different functionalities if you are in the photo mode or if you're in the movie mode. So for now, we're just going to open the custom key for the movie mode, and from here it's going to show you that which button you are changing. So here you can see, if you go to page 2, we can actually change the C1 button, and if you go down, you can also assign different functionalities to all these different buttons as well, but we are going to only play with the C1 button. So from here, custom button 1 is selected. Click on enter, and now you can basically click on the right side to assign any functionality you wanted. So you have autofocus, exposure 2, and all these different things that you can play with. So yeah, from here you can select any other option that you want. So let's say I want this button to open the ISO settings, so I'm going to select ISO, as you can see right here, and that's it. Now we're going to click on menu and menu again. Currently I am in movie mode, and now if I click on the C1 button, you can see ISO settings have been opened up for me. So basically this acts as a shortcut for you. But if I go to picture mode, it should not open the ISO settings. So here I am in the picture mode, and if I click on the C1 button, nothing is happening because the picture mode C1 button is assigned a different thing. So you have to do it both for photo mode and for movie mode. But yeah guys, this is how you can set up the custom or C1 button if you have the Sony ZV E10. For more videos like these, follow my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and follow me.